So there I was creeping around on the old YouTubes and I found this guy.
As I clean up my comic room. By the way, I'm sure we all have comic rooms. I am trying to get mine in order, but it's just hard with so many comics that I buy week after week. If you have any tips on whatever methods you use, whether it's devices for your box or how you actually store your comics or um, your storage methods. I mean, I just use BCW and like Comic Pro boxes and regular long boxes,
But you don't need special storage device. You just need better boxes. Boxes are generally made out of this kind of cheap cardboard that retains water or cheap plastic that breaks apart if it gets too heavy. So what we're going to do is we're going to make you a better box, right, for your channel. Something you can show off. We're really going to ornate this and really adorn it as best we can. Also, as an added challenge for myself, I'm not using any screws or nails. We're going total wood dowels on this and wood glue. So all of our measurements are going to be really close. And as you're watching this, if you follow down below, I'll be sure to put out all my measurements and everything for the sides, tops, and everything so it can fit together nice and smooth. And we'll add something to it to make it more efficient. Instead of just having to pick a box up and move it everywhere, we're going to do something special with this one. So let's start laying out our wood and start trimming it up.
The question that we all just trying to explore. What you living for, the money, and you're trying to get the fame? What you plotting towards the power? You trying to put your name when it's all done, homie, what's it all for? Cause when you get what you wanted, you only want more. But that's the way that you're living when you just take what you're given and turn your back on the prison they try to place on you. We made a decision, not compromising the vision. We keep our eye on the mission to separate the truth and vision and dogmatic religion. We do away with tradition to break down walls of division, but still some people try to judge us. Quit talking and listen, the truth is bigger than your culture, nation, status, or race. Now I ain't finna trying to argue through the ignorant hate. So when you're pointing fingers and splinters and people passing by, maybe just take a minute and remove the plate me right, you hear me? It's all or nothing if you're in, no turning back. It's all or nothing if you walk right down this path. It's all or nothing if you're in, no turning back. It's all or nothing if you walk right down this path. You call yourselves a Christian, but you're scared to make a change, and you never speak of Jesus as to use his name in vain. When the world is looking and they observe what we maintain, then we're just a bunch of hypocrites. Now who's the one to blame now? We don't need that bad reppin', or comfortability has become the enemy's weapon. Cause none of us are guaranteed tomorrow. Life is short, time is borrowed, and my savior coming back in any second, going through the bag. You're either hot or you're cold, don't be lukewarm. If you believe something, then live it. Cause in America, you got the freedom to express what you believe, and other people aren't so lucky with their privilege, don't forget it back. That's why I'm doing all in. If he died for all my sins, I can surely speak it for him. Let me say it again. That's why I'm doing all in. If he died for all my sins, I can surely speak it for him. Go make sure that they know. It's all or nothing if you're in, no turning back. It's all
All right, so here's where we're at. Boom. So I just got some braces just to kind of hold it so I can get some measurements real quick, because what we're going to do next is we're going to make some sides. So here's how this is going to work. My framing's on the outside because I'm going to inlay something, maybe add some lights and definitely some glow powder, because that's what we do. And then I got these little things right here to kind of brace it. So what we'll do is we'll put the side panel on, and then we'll brace it so we have that framed in as well. I know it doesn't, that's not a very good description, but that's what we're going to do anyway. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and draw out what the side looks like onto some thin board and cut that out. And then we're going to put all this together, and then we're going to get started on the top, because I have to make the top separately, and then adornments, right? Make a thing look. I'm going sci-fi with this one. I'm going sci-fi. So yeah, pretty interesting. So let's bring out the rulers and pencils.
Blood on my fingertips and words on my tongue. So many verses I wish I would have sung. But what if my secrets ruined today? I pour another glass up to keep them at bay. Think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. You think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. I found light in the darkness and learned to lead the way. Your flashlight is fading and I'm going my own way. The sharp words of anger should cut me like the knife. You stabbed in my back, but you forgot that I can fight. Think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. You think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. You love to claim me. You say you made me, then make me again. You love to claim me. You say you made me, then make me again. You love to claim me like I'm some trophy you hold in your hands. Don't make me again. Don't make me again. Think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. You think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe.
Okay, so we got a box, we got it sanded. Let's lay down some primer and start thinking about paints, right? Add some paint to it, and see if we need to seal anything up with any more wood primer or anything like that. I think I'm gonna go with a copper color on this one, and then so yeah, let's paint. Painting's fun. Let's go.
Bring the band in. Woo! Well, alright. Yeah, they want me to fit in, but I can't. I'm too different with it. Too advanced to think. You know my intuition. I got bars and ink, but never in a prison. Too far gone, never gonna sit and listen. This is optimism mixed with a bit sitting as a vet, but everybody know that you're a threat. With the rest, let's go. We won't fit in your box. We don't quit, we won't stop. Ride us all to the top. We won't fit in your, we won't fit in your, we won't fit in your box. No, we don't quit, we won't stop. No, ride us all to the top. Whoa. We won't fit in your box. No.
All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a top for this thing, and I'm just gonna keep it simple, but I'm gonna use magnets to kind of connect it to the top. So what I got here is some more of this kind of plywood. This is some scrap. My dog decided that it didn't like the idea of a dog gate in the house, so it made short work of it, so now I'm using it. It's pretty solid stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a bunch of these together, right? Glue dowels, and figure out where we're going to put the magnets, line them up onto our new bronze copper box, and see where they need to go, and then we'll probably jump right into adornments. Sounds good to me. Let's go. To the top, we won't fit in your, we won't fit in your, we won't fit in your box. No, we don't quit, we won't stop. No, ride us all to the top. Whoa, we won't fit in your box. No. Thank you, Ben, for coming out tonight. My name is Sam Augustin. Let's go. All right, so the box is painted, the lid's painted. Now it's time for adornments, right? What are we gonna do to make this thing look more sci-fi-ish other than just this kind of copper color that's with it? So what I'm going to do is I got some old circuit boards from a communication something or other. Doesn't matter. Somebody thought it was junk. We're going to use it. And I got about 20 feet of this LED lighting here. Works with a remote. I picked it up at Harbor Freight for like $7. So let's start doing some adornments.
Small. I'm just really trying to leave a mark. We tired of being who they say we are. That's the baton, we gon' take it far. Always been real, we don't fake it all. Tired of 9 to 5, just make enough to survive. Only living on the weekends. You really thinking that's why I'm alive? Busting out the scenes, time to live my dreams, do the things deep inside of me. This life it continues with fighting me, but I don't have quitting inside of me. I will not jump in these boxes they throwing me. Talking to God and there's so much he's showing me, shaping me, growing me, taking me sowing seeds, a growing tree. Y'all get a load of me, yeah. Don't let them slow me. I get the bag like a grocery. I'm on my grind like I'm supposed to be, and I do not care if you notice me. Boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it, quitting was never an option. Exhausted, this passion is never exhausted. And you cannot stop it, nah, you cannot stop it. This isn't a robbery, hands in the sky if you got a dream. Learn nothing was blocking me. I was the problem, the only one stopping me. I didn't like it, I had to refocus. Now I'm devoted, I know where I'm going. Controlling emotions, I'm owning the moment. In order to get it, see, you gotta want it. This type of flow make a living break. Confessions over these 808s. Don't sleep on the key, better stay away. I mean, for heaven's sake, I'ma be the best. Came from the endless. I ain't with the games, bitch, you with the chest. Be beating on my chest, trying to get my rest. Watch me while I flex. Every win is a blessing, and every L is a lesson. So when I run into rejection, I know it's only redirection. I see the blessings right beside me. The chances are quite unlikely. I do it like I'm in my Nikes. Don't make excuses, they never excite me. Boxes, boxes. I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it, stop it. Quitting was never an option. Exhausted, exhausted. This passion is never exhausted. And you cannot stop it. Nah, you cannot stop it. Quitting was never an option. And you cannot stop it. Nah, you cannot stop it.
Oh no, the power went out. How am I gonna find my comic books? Oh, jeez. Where's my comic books? Where are you at? Oh, there they are. Alright guys, as I said, I'm probably calling this done. That's actually pretty cool. I love the lights in it. One more time. One more time for the lights. Looks like a circuit board. It's like Christmas. It's like sci-fi Christmas. Alright, let's get a better look at this and let me show you what I did to it. Okay, so besides the fancy lights, which we have put all the way around it, so no matter where you're at, circuit boards really kind of hide the flashiness and give it that green color. That's really cool. On the top here, we installed magnets that will only allow it to close one way. Unfortunately, the magnets aren't strong enough just to pick it up from here. But that's why we have this lip and the framing on the outside. It's one of the reasons why I put the framing on the outside. One, to protect this, and of course, so you have some place to pick it up. So yeah, you got it on casters, you let it roll around in case it's too low, you don't want to pick it up, you just kick it and move it. So another thing we'll add to it, my brand new EVIL LAIR patches. We'll throw that in there for them too. Boom. You can see his comic books in there. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this build, and I hope you make something like this yourself. These are super easy to make. You don't have to overthink this, like we did here. Oh, I also had a glow powder. Got glow powder in it. Don't worry. I know people were concerned where the glow powder was going to go. They're acting as an anchor for the magnets. So yeah. So we're going to get this in the mail to Cup O Comics. I hope he enjoys it, and as always, there's no obligation to do an unboxing or anything like that. I just hope you enjoy it, and you have some fun with it. You'll also get a, let me see if I can find it. Got a little remote for you too. Has several settings on it. You can do whatever you want. It's a little added feature. So yeah, I think this was fun. So we're off to the next project, but before you go anywhere, I just want to say first off, thank you for all the subscribers out there. Thank you for liking the videos and commenting on them. They really do help. Also, I'm going to be at Planet Comic Con March 16th through the 19th. I'm bringing some of those patches with me, probably about 25 or so. So if you see me walking around the floor or hanging out at one of the places of libations, right, I should have a couple of patches on me. Please feel free to ask for one, just so I can kind of see what kind of people are watching my show. I'm going to judge you. Let me think. Oh, I'm also going to Heroes Con, where I'm going to do the same thing. That's in June. So if I see you there, definitely just ask for a patch, and first come, first serve. Like I said, I probably have about 25 or so with me whenever I get in the next few days. So yeah, this was a super fun build. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you on the next EVIL LAIR Projects and Builds. We'll do something even crazier. Yeah, it's going to be, you may want to hit the notification bell. I'm thinking.